How to receive USDT TRC20 on Trust Wallet. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to receive USDT TRC20 on Trust Wallet. So first thing first, just head over to your Trust Wallet and just click on this top right corner, that is a filter icon over here. And also in the meantime, make sure you are already logged into your account before you do that. And once you do all of that, just click on search bar at the top to search in for USDT just like this. And once you search in for that, simply scroll down until you see the option that is USDT TRC20. So you can see at the middle of my screen, just tap on that just like this, and then you shall be redirected to this page where you can simply tap on this receive button since we are going to receive it. And then you can just copy the QR code, or you can also share it with the sender who are going to send you the USDT TRC20 on Trust Wallet. Or you can also separately send the copied code via different social media platform as well. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.